Top 20 Hottest Woodworking Tools on Amazon in 2025. Hey guys, it's your girl Tools Insight, back with another video. We're diving deep into the world of woodworking with the top 20 hottest tools on Amazon that are so good, you'll want to swipe right on them. But seriously, if you're trying to build your dream bookshelf or just want to impress your crush with some mad woodworking skills, this video is for you. From cordless drills that'll make you feel like Thor to sanders that'll give you a finish smoother than my pickup lines, we've got it all. So buckle up, grab your safety goggles, and let's get sawing. And listen up, because we're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs. First up, we've got the mighty cordless drill. This bad boy is like the Zeus of woodworking. Powerful, versatile, and always down to party. Whether you're driving screws like a boss or drilling holes with laser-like precision, this tool is a must-have for any aspiring woodworker. Plus, no cords mean no tangled messes, which is a win in my book. So, if you're ready to unleash your inner Bob the Builder, grab yourself a cordless drill and get ready to conquer the world, one screw at a time. Next up is the random Orbital Sander, the tool that's here to make your woodworking projects smoother than your best pickup lines. This sander is all about achieving that flawless finish, the kind that makes you want to run your hand over it all day long. With its random orbit motion, it buffs out scratches and imperfections like a pro, leaving you with a surface that's ready for stain, paint, or just to be admired in all its smooth glory. But seriously, don't do that. It's weird. Okay, maybe that's a weird comparison, but you get the point. Now let's talk about the Jigsaw, the Beyoncé of the woodworking world. This tool is all about those curves, those intricate cuts, those shapes that'll make you say, how did they do that? With its thin blade and agile movements, the Jigsaw can handle even the most delicate of cuts, making it perfect for creating custom designs and adding a touch of personality to your projects. Moving on to the table saw, the ruler of straight lines and the king of accurate cuts. With its powerful motor and sharp blade, the table saw can rip through wood like it's butter, making quick work of even the toughest cutting tasks. But remember, safety first. This tool means business, so always use proper safety gear and precautions. Up next, we've got the wood router, the tool that's all about the details. This bad boy is responsible for creating those fancy edges, decorative grooves, and intricate patterns that take your woodworking projects from basic to OMG. You made this? So, if you're ready to level up your woodworking game and impress your friends with your attention to detail, the wood router is your new best friend. Let's talk about the compound miter saw, the tool that's all about precision and accuracy. Whether you're building a picture frame, a set of shelves, or a miniature replica of the Eiffel Tower, hey, I don't judge your woodworking dreams. The compound miter saw is your go-to tool for making those precise angled cuts. Just be careful not to lose yourself in all those angles and end up in an alternate dimension. Next up is the planer, the tool that's here to enforce the law of uniform thickness. Whether you're dealing with rough-sawn lumber or just need to shave down a board a hair or two, the planer will make quick work of it, leaving you with a surface that's as smooth as a baby's. Well, you know the rest. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Don't get too carried away with the planer and end up with paper-thin pieces of wood. Now, let's spin things up with the wood lathe, the tool that's all about creating those beautiful rounded shapes that make you want to shout, "Timber!" This tool is perfect for making everything from bowls and plates to furniture legs and even baseball bats. Just be prepared for a bit of a learning curve. Mastering the art of wood turning takes time, patience, and a healthy dose of fearlessness. Up next is the Biscuit Joiner, the tool that's here to make your woodworking joints stronger than ever before. This tool uses small, oval-shaped biscuits, not the kind you eat, sadly, to create incredibly strong and seamless joints between pieces of wood. No more struggling with complicated joinery techniques or worrying about your projects falling apart. The Biscuit Joiner is here to save the day, one biscuit at a time. Moving on to the bandsaw, the contortionist of the woodworking world. This tool is all about those curves, those irregular shapes, those cuts that would make a jigsaw jealous. With its long, continuous blade, The bandsaw can handle even the tightest turns and most intricate designs. Just be careful not to get your fingers too close to that blade. Safety first. Let's talk about the scroll saw, the detail-oriented diva of the woodworking world. This tool is all about precision, intricacy, and creating those delicate cuts that make you say, "How is that even possible?" With its thin blade and reciprocating motion, the scroll saw can handle even the most delicate of cuts, making it perfect for creating intricate designs, delicate fretwork, and even miniature furniture. Mastering the scroll saw takes time, patience, and a steady hand. Up next is the Dovetail Jig, the tool that's here to elevate your woodworking skills to the next level. This tool helps you create those strong, interlocking dovetail joints that are the hallmark of fine woodworking. The Dovetail Jig makes it easy to create those beautiful, durable joints that will make your project stand the test of time. Plus, using a dovetail jig is like having a secret woodworking handshake. Next up is the Pocket Hole Jig, the master of disguise in the woodworking world. This tool helps you create those strong, hidden joints that make your projects look like they were assembled by magic. The Pocket Hole Jig makes it easy to create professional-looking joints that are both strong and discreet. Let's be real, clamps might not be the most exciting woodworking tools, but they're definitely one of the most essential. These trusty tools are responsible for holding everything together while you work, ensuring that your projects don't turn into a wobbly mess. From small hand clamps to large bar clamps, there's a clamp out there for every job. So, don't be afraid to stock up. You can never have too many clamps. Now let's talk about chisels, the sculpting tools of the woodworking world. These hand tools are perfect for everything from shaping and carving wood to cleaning up joints and removing excess glue. From small detail chisels to large framing chisels, there's a chisel out there for every job. Just remember, chisels are sharp. Always use caution when handling them. No woodworking shop is complete without a sturdy woodworking bench. This is your command center, your workspace, your trusty sidekick in all your woodworking adventures. A good woodworking bench will provide you with a stable surface to work on, plenty of storage space for your tools, and maybe even a built-in vise or two. So invest in a good woodworking bench. Your back and your projects will thank you. Woodworking can be a messy business, but it doesn't have to be. A good dust collection system will help keep your workspace clean and your lungs healthy by sucking up all that sawdust and debris before it has a chance to settle. From shop vacs to dedicated dust collectors, there's a system out there for every budget and workspace. So don't wait until you're coughing up sawdust to invest in a dust collection system. Ever wonder if your wood is too wet or too dry to work with? Well, wonder no more. The Moisture Meter is here to solve all your wood moisture mysteries. This handy tool measures the moisture content of your wood, ensuring that it's at the optimal level for woodworking. No more guessing or hoping for the best. The Moisture Meter takes all the guesswork out of woodworking, leaving you free to focus on what really matters, creating awesome stuff. Wood glue might not be the most glamorous woodworking tool, but it's definitely one of the most essential. This sticky substance is responsible for holding your projects together, ensuring that they don't fall apart at the first sign of stress. From classic yellow glue to high-strength epoxy, there's a wood glue out there for every job. Just remember, a little bit of wood glue goes a long way. Last but not least, let's talk about safety gear. This might not be the most exciting part of woodworking, but it's definitely the most important. After all, your most valuable woodworking tools are your eyes, ears, and fingers. So protect them. Always wear safety glasses or goggles when operating power tools, and use ear protection when working with loud machinery. And there you have it, folks. The top 20 hottest woodworking tools on Amazon in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tools will help you take your woodworking projects to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Grab your tools, fire up your creativity, and get building. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome woodworking content. Stay tuned for more exciting insights and tools reviews on Tools Insight. And remember, always measure twice, cut once, and never underestimate the power of a good biscuit joiner. See you next time.